Alright you guys, today we're making some brownies. Check it out. They're Ghirardelli chocolate, dark chocolate, premium brownie mix. Got from Target, $1.99, and this one includes chocolate chips. Alright, let's get started. Okay, it's really easy, right? It just includes 1/4 cup of water. It says a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, but I only have corn oil, and I presume that should be okay. Alright, corn oil, 1 egg. And then it says, place water, oil, and egg in medium bowl and stir until fully mixed. Add brownie mix and stir until well blended. Spread in a prepared pan. Alright, so it cooks for about 45 minutes. Okay, and also it says that prepare baking pan by lightly greasing or spraying with non-stick cooking spray. Canola no stick cooking spray. We're going to use this. Whoa! That might be too much. Oh! Ew, that is crappy. Dang it. Alright, you can see around the edges, this is the canola. It looks like I used too much. In the old days, I should this time get a napkin and some butter and then just spread it around. And folks would like maybe put flour on there and so on, but anyway. Oh well, anyway, 45 minutes. Adieu. It looks a little overdone. That's alright though. Let it cool off inside the pan and we'll give it a cut. Sorry. And then we'll cut it up and see how she tastes. Ow, 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 ow! Damn. Okay, take a bite. Alright. Perfect. Like I always say, if you see it, buy it, try it, and hope you like it. Take care wherever you are. Have a great day.
讲3次哦，3次。
那你然后呢？对啊。然后。Yeah, just hanging out. Yeah. Since Monday, I think. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. Just. Singapore.
OK， 好，好，1份。
总共4份呢。
好，4份。谢谢。
然后要去看看我们从澳洲过来，看到5月底叫韩国烤肉薯条。
韩国烤肉，
每天都限量100份，最后40份。去看看我们这边开3家店，这不是
要不要加辣？好。来搅拌一下，谢谢。
All right, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
谢谢。
谢谢。